Okay, independent client, customer Zachary. This is a remodel of a home that was built in the early 80s or so. So it is not part of the RRP lead remediation or testing. There will be no testing for lead-based paints today. Basically, this home has an original set of cabinets, it seems like. They did soffitting around the tops of the cabinets, and I've got measurements to those soffits. But a couple of key notes here, double switch here in the back. The countertops are less than 3 or 4 years old. Customer would like to see if we can reuse those countertops so that she didn't have to order new ones that reuse the sink and everything. So I took measurements of all the countertops as well. Dishwasher on the left. There is a footprint in the floor here. This is a laminate countertop and a laminate floor area. So there's a footprint. We have to definitely carry on with that. I've got measurements from the right-hand side to the end of the base cabinet line to make sure that we're there. Measurements from the corner to the end of the dishwasher to make sure we're good on that one. Over here, this is a valance across the two sides, but if you look, there's actually a top in that cabinet that is sheetrock, so we'll need a dust board to go back up inside of that. Standard overlay with a small filler piece here at the top, but the bottom of the soffit is about 83 3/4 inches from the floor. So we need to make sure that we use a standard overlay cabinet or a full overlay mounted 3/4 inch lower to be able to put a scribe molding or something across the top at the top of that piece. Now over here on this side, L-shaped corner countertop. Again, took measurements of the countertop. They're in good shape. Nothing's broken. Would like to try to reuse them. So 75-inch cab box along this wall is your maximum cab box. On this one's 46 inches for cab box. 30-inch stove, 20-inch cab box on this one. This one's going to be the oddball. Probably going to be doing an 18-inch 3-drawer section here and a small fill to the left and to the right of the stove or a dishwasher panel on either side. Would like to see, she said, this upper cabinet come out to the front, be a little deeper and make it where it's more accessible. No problem. We do that 3/4 inch drop down. We'll run that same molding out. That's a 30-inch return on the right-hand side. So a 24-inch deep refrigerator cabinet, 39. That's a 39 space. So a 36 with a 3 fill is what we need to do there to make sure we have plenty of space. This corner is square. Upper just square, so we do not want to do a corner angle here. We want to do a blind corner or a voided corner section on the top. Right now, the cabinet is voided from the right-hand side. So this is your actual blind corner on the side here. Bottom, same thing, blind corner. We did talk about doing a Lazy Susan. If you have 45 inches here, you could do a 36 and a 9 without any problem. To turn that corner with a Lazy Susan, then make this like a big set of drawers over here on the left-hand side. Again, with the idea of reusing the countertops, footprint in the floor, over-the-range microwave here instead of a range hood. Let me check and see if that is. It is not ventilated out. It is a recirculating vent hood, so your microwave would be no problem there. Ceiling height is 8 foot in the room, but the top of the soffit is, like I said, 83 3/4 inches or so from the floor. Toe kick, quarter round. Make sure we have all the pieces we need to make sure that that is going to fit back to her floor nice. And baseboard maybe if we're going to do a pantry on the return over here. On this one, we did talk about having the cabinets just go straight across and not be part of an actual built-in. The other way we talked about doing was doing a pantry, a 30-inch pantry here, and moving the dishwasher to the right of the sink. The other thing was to take and cut this soffit down to a straight run and just do regular wall cabinets and gain that countertop space back. So 3 different options. One of them's leaving the soffit the way it is. Second one's a pantry in this space. And the third one is to cut that soffit out, redo it with sheetrock and 2x4s, and go ahead and make this just a single wall section cabinets across the side here. All right, if you have any other questions about this kitchen, feel free to give me a call at 423-650-1051. Have a great day.